here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it still looks like some pretty dramatic weather changes over the next roughly 24 to 48 hours. Let's get started. First with live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and really not much going on. The atmosphere is dry. We've had some extra clouds this evening, especially away from the coastline, but not producing any precipitation, so staying dry. But the Polar Express is on the way, which includes a bitter blast of cold air and even the potential for some brief snow squalls. We'll talk about the when and the where and all the details on this in just a second, so hold on. Meanwhile, downtown Providence, you can see some clouds, but again, they're dry clouds, not producing any precipitation. Temperature's pretty nice, at least for midwinter, at 40. Winds out of the west-northwest at light speeds, and the humidity levels are pretty dry at 43%. Smithfield's at 36, Worcester 31, upper 30s along the South Shore. 38 seems to be the popular temperature from Westerly, Newport, and out towards New Bedford as we widen out the view. In fact, it's fairly quiet across all of New England with the exception of some snow showers in upstate New York. It's right back in here. We're watching what we call an Arctic cold front, the leading edge of sharply colder air. And you can see the shades of purple and white just over the border in Canada. That marks the leading edge of where the Arctic front is located, and that will come through around this time tomorrow evening with that dramatic weather change. Now, for this evening, it looks okay. Partly cloudy skies. 11 o'clock, we're going to drop off to about 32 degrees, and then overnight tonight, mainly clear. By 5 o'clock in the morning, dropping to 26. Now, we'll start with sunshine tomorrow morning. Kids heading out to school between, say, 7 and 8:30, 28 to 32. And then during the afternoon, it starts to cloud up. I'm thinking sometime after 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we start to see some squalls of rain and snow showers. Primarily snow showers, but there may be a few raindrops mixing in. Take a look at it in more detail for you Thursday afternoon, looking at a west-southwest breeze at 15 to 25. And again, a late-day squall sometime after 2, 3 o'clock. Now, initially, temperatures are above freezing tomorrow afternoon and early tomorrow evening. But once the front comes through, the temperatures will drop dramatically. So here's the setup. The front comes through with a snow squall. We may catch a coating, and the temperature drops rapidly. What has me concerned is that initially the snowflakes may melt on the pavement, and with a rapid drop in temperature, we may get what we call a flash freeze, where there could be some black ice. So coating of snow possible, some black ice thereafter, late in the day towards tomorrow evening. So be aware of that. And then on Friday, the sun comes out, but it does nothing for the temperature. It is a bitter cold day. We have taken snow out of the forecast for Saturday, though it's still worth watching. But right now, we just have some extra clouds. And only mid-20s and nighttime temperatures in the single digits and lower teens. So it's around this time tomorrow. We're going to watch the situation closely for brief snow squalls. It doesn't take much of a coating to cause some slipping and sliding. So we'll keep you updated.
Okay. Thank you, Tony.